Hey everyone, welcome back to MS Extra Tech. In today's video, I will show you a simple and quick way to add or edit your Instagram bio. Stay tuned till the end and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. So let's get started. So friends, first open Instagram app on your mobile. Then tap on the profile picture at the bottom right corner. Now select and tap on the Add Bio option. Now edit your bio on here. I will add a simple bio for me. It's done. Now tap on the Save button at the top right corner. That's it. It's successfully done. So friends, if you found this video helpful, please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video.